Hello, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with order of operation? Let us do this question together. We need to work out 3 multiplied by 8 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 4 cubic. We are going to use PEMDAS and our movement is going to be from left to right. According to PEMDAS, we are supposed to start with parentheses, and to our question, we don't have any parentheses. Then we're supposed to work with exponents. We have exponent here, 4 cubic, so we are going to copy the rest, and then we are going to work on exponent. Four cubic is equal to 64. Then, according to PEMDAS, we are going to work on multiplication or division. And since the movement is from left to right, we are going to start with 3 multiplied by 8. 24 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 64. Then we have division here, so we are going to work on division. That is going to be 24 minus 12 divided by 3, we got 4 plus 64. According to PEMDAS, the next priority is on addition or subtraction, and since we are moving from left to right, we will start by taking 24, take away 4. That is going to be 20 plus 64. At last, we are going to add 20 plus 64, we get 84. I hope you understand this video. You can check more video on order of operation. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to more people so that they can benefit from it. Till next time, bye.